Hey, so sometimes the script doesn't work like 100% the snap, but there's some stuff we can do to make it work again. It totally depends on the rig, but we have some other options, the advanced tab here, and some tools that we are going to show. I'm going to show you how to use it to make it work. Let's take a look to this example. So we set up all the controls, FK, IK. We save the matched pose, and let's try to change from IK to FK. Let's see what's happening. And something weird is going on here. It doesn't work. It's very, so it's not working. FK to IK. It looks like better, but it's not working as well. So what we can do is like, let's go to the advanced here and check the auto. Let's see what's going on. And if you see, we can see that the script found the FK controls, but didn't found the IK controls. So let's try to manually add it. So for this, you can go directly into the outliner and try to find it yourself, but sometimes it's like very difficult to find the joints and everything here. So there's some tools here that will help you out. So let's use this first tool, force show all joints, and we are going to see all the joints. Let's try moving a little bit the IK control so we can see the joints that are moving. So we have right now the FK joints here, or the controls. We need what we need here is is something, a control, a joint, something that the IK and the FK can match, snapped, you know. So we need a top one, a middle one, and a lower one. So we have this for the FK, but we don't have the same for the IK. So let's try to find it like manually. So right now it's here, but let me show you. So let's select the top one here, the middle one, and for the lower one we can use directly the IK control. So let's go to the pose, to the match pose here, and let's make sure it's the same pose exactly. Yeah, let's change. As you see here, we see some offset between the poses. So we are going to have this offset as well when we change from IK FK and IK from and FK to IK. So let's keep it like this, so you will see that little offset there. But probably you will like to match it perfectly next time, so you don't have any offset, you know. Yeah, let's set the pose here and let's try again. This is IK to FK. You see, there was that little offset that I talked before, but the pose is working now. So FK to IK again, little offset, but and IK to IK. Yeah, it's working. Let's take a look to this other example. Let's try to match it. IK. So as you see, it's not working. So let's go to default pose. Let's uncheck this and let's try to find it manually here. We have another tool for that. So it's called join list filter. So here we have all the joints for this character. So let's try to finally manually find it. So let's write arm in the filter. Let's try to find something like IK up arm, like this one, but the opposite side. So it's going to be okay. This probably, yeah, this one is, I think this one will work. So it's the up arm IK. So this one is for the top. Lower, yeah, that's IK as well. So middle, and we can use the handle, the IK handle, IK control for the end. I think that will work better. So let's make sure the pose is the same as yeah, so it's completely 100% good. Let's press the, yeah, this one, and Let's try again. So IK to FK, yeah, that's cool, perfect. Let's try the opposite, FK, IK, yeah, that's working better. It's totally working now. Let's try again. IK, yeah, that's perfect. So the last tool we have here is the IK handle selector. So if we select the IK contour, you click the first button, it will select the IK handle, and then you can go through all the bones here, as you see. Oh, so you can just add the bones here. It's just another way to do it. I like to use the IK contour for the end one, but it's the same that using the join list. Sometimes it works better, sometimes the list just goes more directly, but it's just another tool that you have.